HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the flowchart to determine the normality of a distribution. Here's the flowchart to determine if a score distribution is normal. We start by checking the modality. If the distribution is not unimodal, then we know right away that the distribution can't be a normal distribution. If the distribution is unimodal, then we need to check the symmetry of the distribution. If the distribution is either positively skewed or negatively skewed, then the distribution will not be symmetric. If the distribution is not symmetric, then it is not a normal distribution. If the distribution is symmetric, then we need to check if the distribution is asymptotic. Remember that almost all distributions have some violation of asymptoticness. We are looking for a strong violation, which means that the tails don't extend past 4 standard deviations. If the tails end abruptly, then there is a strong violation of asymptoticness. A distribution which is not asymptotic is not a normal distribution. If the distribution has tails that extend out at least 4 standard deviations on each side, then there is a weak violation of asymptoticness. At this point, we have a distribution which is unimodal, symmetric, and asymptotic. These are the 3 characteristics of a normal distribution. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.